A lot of times in our society and in culture, we tend to avoid concept of children feeling, concept of children emotions. We tend to brush off the feeling they might have. This is how children grow to have anxious attachment. As a child is forming and they're growing, they might be going through some form of trauma. Those feelings are important to be acknowledged at the time and to be worked with the child at the same time, because if it's not, children can have adult attachment issues. Help your child name their emotions. Focus on positive things. Talking about why you are proud of your child is important. Even though they're a toddler, they're still understanding. They may not be able to verbalize everything, but they're understanding what you're saying to them. So anything you happen in the early years, birth to 4, that's when your cognitive development, your emotional intelligence, everything's built between birth to 4. So what you do in that stage, it's your imprint of your parenting for your child's future.